everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. So today I'm back with another monthly mini build from Lego. This one is 40323. It was released in March 2019 and it is a Viking ship. And I will show you how to make this and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along. So feel free to pause the end of the video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with a 4x4 standard base plate like this in brown, and in the middle we're going to attach a 2x2 round brick like this in light grey. Now we're going to be making the sides of the Viking ship, so let's put the base over there at the moment. So we'll need a 1x4 side attachment brick like this, and all along here we're going to be attaching these round flat tiles in what you could call, I suppose, cream, and we're gonna do another one, and this is gonna be the shields that many Viking ships have on the sides of their ships. So we're gonna bring back the base over here, and I'm gonna stick the two sides on like this. As well as shields, Viking ships have a lot of oars. So for the oars of this ship, we're gonna be using this black sort of handle element with stud compatibility, and we're going to be using these red paddle pieces, and we're just simply going to stick it onto this like so, and we're going to stick it on the side over here. Now we need to make 8 of these because this Viking ship has quite a decent amount of oars. So while I'm doing that, I'll see if Johnny has any information on Viking ships. Johnny, will you give us the fact of the day today? Okay, so what did it say over there? Viking boats, especially long ships, were built double-sided so they could reverse quickly. Ah, well that's interesting. I gotta add that to my car. I need to build my car double-sided. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So there we have all our 8 paddles over here. A little bit fiddly, but I've managed to get it done. So now we are going to be making the sail for our Viking ship. So we're going to be using this 2 long cross axle, and we're going to be using one of these Technic connectors in brown. We're going to slide them in like so. On the other side we're going to attach another 2 long cross axle like this, and another one of those brown connectors over here. Now on the end of this mast we're going to attach this 3 long cross axle like this, and we're going to be using a sort of special sort of Technic connector piece with some handles in that. We're going to stick it over here. This is going to hold our sail later on, and we're going to get this tubular cone piece. We're going to stick that on top like this. Now the sides of the mast, for the sides of the mast we're going to be using these telescope handle pieces in black. These are, and we're going to stick them on either one of these handles. And for the sail we're going to be using this very large sort of flat piece, could be a flag of some sort, and we're going to stick it into these handles over here like this, and there we have our sail. We'll bring back our boat over here and just stick it in the middle like this. Now it's time to make a little bit more of the shape of the boat, so we're going to put that aside again, and we're going to be using these special side attachment bricks. Of course, why not? I love side attachment bricks. These ones are sort of tall and singular. We're going to place them together like this, and on top of them we are going to attach a 1x2 jump plate like this, and at the base over here we're going to get a 1x2 base plate in cream like so. Now to make the shape of our boat we're going to be using this sort of short and stubby slope piece. This is dark red, by the way, and we're just going to stick it on here like so. And we need to make another one because, as I've only just learned now, Viking ships were built double-sided, especially long ships, so we need two sides that look exactly the same. And we have two sides that look exactly the same. Now, I'm going to bring back our boat, and we're going to stick one over here and one at the back here. Now, this Viking ship, though, is not complete yet. We need the ornate decoration that most Viking ships have. So, to make the figurehead at the front, we're going to be using this bright blue tubular piece. In fact, we're actually going to get two, one on top of the other, and we're going to get this simple slope piece as well in this bright blue. Now, underneath this part over here, I'm going to attach this angled tooth plate like this. This is a nice shiny gold. We're going to stick it underneath like this. Now, this could be representing a dragon's head, but for me, it seems more like an eagle's beak and face. We're going to stick it on the front, on the jumper plate over here like so, and all we have now left to do is to do the tail. So we'll get another one of these tubular pieces, another one of these simple slopes, stick them together, spick spack spock, stick it over here, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our little Viking ship is complete. A very nice mini build at that. It's a very, very funny and funny representation of a Viking ship, or longship as they call the most common ones. It isn't long at all, but it's got all the functionality that it might need. Several oars, of course, very much reusable with minifigures alike, and we've got this big flag piece over here that can be used as a banner of some sort as well, and of course these slope pieces and a lot of repetition of other pieces as well. Also, you can make your own ship based on the build that I just showed you now. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! Heave ho, we're going to find some land. Danger!